All right, on Tuesday, August 15th at the Orange County Convention Center in Orlando, I've got a one-day seminar that is going to knock your socks off. I'm telling you, I put together an incredible day for you, and it's all the latest stuff. If I had one day with a friend, like if a friend was coming over to spend the day with me, and they said, look, I've only got one day here, but I really want to jump to that next level in my photography and my post-processing. I got to get better at Lightroom. I got to get better at Photoshop. I got to start using Photoshop, and I've got to know why and when and all that stuff. Can you help me? Yes, I can. We have an intimate theater in Orlando. I want you to be there. So come join me at the Orange County Convention Center for a full day of learning and laughing and loving and everything that begins with the letter L. It's all coming on Tuesday, August 15th. Come and spend the day with me. Go to kelby1live.com for all the details to get your tickets, and I'll see you in Orlando in just a few weeks.